Before our trip to Istanbul, we had done a lot of research and we found that the Turkish Airlines Business Lounge at the Istanbul International Airport is one of the best, if not the best, lounge worldwide. So we're going to walk you through from the time the transfer ride from the hotel dropped us off here at the airport. We'll walk you through until we get up to the lounge so you can find your way around if you are traveling on Turkish Airlines business class.
All right, we arrived at Istanbul Airport, and we're going to go to the priority entrance here, and that's door number 5. So for those of you who have Turkish Airlines business class tickets, you're going to go in door 5, and then we're going to go to aisle L for premium check-in. Alright, so here we go, door 5. So when you come to Istanbul Airport, they've got, I think, 7 doors. Go door 5 for the priority entrance. Hello. Yes, thank you. Oh, I guess we have to go through security first before we go through the aisle L. Alright, so after going through security check, we didn't have to take our shoes off. We just went over here to aisle L. On the right. Yeah, this one says all flights. I don't know what that other one is for. I think if you already checked in and you got your bags and checked in and all that.
I don't think so, because they got their bags.
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, we're going to check in here and we'll get back with you. That was not too bad. We got checked in good. Our first bag was 25 kilos. We had a 14 kilos and then a 17 kilos. So we were all under the limit of 32 kilos or 70 pounds. All right, so next step is customs. Coming through this section here for business class. And we're going to here. That's your passport control. Now we got another security check to go through with our carry-on bags. And then we're going to head over to gate E1 where the business lounge is. All right, we made it through the second security screening. And I think we passed all of the security checks for us. And now we're going to try to find gate E1 where the business lounge is. Oh, right here on the left there. And at the business lounge. Check in. Now we're going up the escalator to the second floor where the lounge is.
It's hot in here. Homemade Turkish ravioli.
So here's one of the food stations. We have Turkish ravioli. And the seating area over here. Cappadocia. And some grilled lamb. Another station here for veggies. Different variety for salads. So you got truly a fresh selection of different things as we go around. Another station over here. It has some sort of soup. Another type of soup here as well. Mushroom. And this one is the lentil soup.
Ama Mourinho seneye kalırsa olur herhalde. Yaşlıların filminde birkaç şimdi. Jack oyunu, işte hepsi gidecek. Annesini de gider.
Station with iron. This one's got spicy chili chicken. Got plenty of seating over here. And you can see the entire airport. Also, they've got some dessert station, baklava, and others. And then some cheesecake, and some lemon juice. And then you got a whole selection of beverages. And here we got some strudel. People just relaxing, chilling out, resting. Coffee station. Again, plenty of seating. It was a little bit crowded today. It's about 12:30. Some more drink options. As we go around, you see a lot more space that people can just relax in. And then you've got the screen that gives you a reminder when your flight's coming up. So that's good. They've got a few of those screens around. So we're going around. And there we match up with Cecile. One of the bathrooms in the lounge. We got a big mirror here, quite roomy, especially if you have a lot of bags with you. So first try is going to be this spicy chili chicken. We'll see how it goes. And we're only on half of the, so it's not terribly spicy, so it's more sweet than it is a spicy chili chicken. But it's really tasty, and it's not a huge portion, so we're going to go try something else here in a little bit. And I got this orange drink. It's pretty good. Right, so you got some Turkish tea and some baklava, I think I'm going to finish it before she even gets back. So not only do we have to tag our check-in luggage, but they also tagged our personal carry-on luggage. So just a reminder of what size and what weight. 8 kilogram maximum. My laptop bag is pretty heavy, so I hope it's not too bad. So this is for business class cabin. So from the business lounge up here, you can see down on the main concourse a lot of different stores. This airport just goes all the way to the end over there. It's kind of huge, really huge.
There's this area that gives you the history of Turkish Airlines from the 1950s to the 2020s. Kind of fun, a lot of imagery and interesting facts about the airline's history.
Place here, we got some wine, champagne. They've got a wall here with 12 different TV screens, different languages. Gözleme. Turkish ravioli. Making the gözleme, Turkish style grilled flat pastry. Again,
This is rice with chicken and grilled veggies.
yeah.
And that's the pita with chicken and beef, I think.
And how is it so far?
So.
Just so-so, huh?
It's not hot.
Here's one of the chefs making some the pide, cheese and meats, eggplant. And they put them in there with a simmet. It's the line for the lamb meatballs. It's pretty long. Must be popular. So now I've got some of the meatballs. I think it's lamb, might be beef, with tomato, green pepper, and some rice. We'll see how this tastes. So here's that driving range, or putting range. Nobody's using it right now, but that's one of the features that people have mentioned that before. And then over here, Hazarfan Flight Experience. lounge area, a little bit darker, leather, a little bit different than the wide open with the white seats. And then another section here with big screen TV, different kinds of seating. I lost count how many different food places there are. We've already taken this picture here. Turkish ravioli. Some playing piano. Now here's a flight tracker. You can see where your flight's going by tapping on the globe somewhere. So let's say I'm heading over here to Chicago or something. I don't know how to use it, but it is kind of cool to interact with it a little bit. Yeah, I'm just tapping a bunch of buttons. I don't know how to use this. To the big screen when we first got into the entrance is where those luggage areas are. You have clear luggage containers and you can see which one's yours. You can set your own code to get in and out of it. Then over here is the business area. We've got several computers and a little pause that you can have a little bit of privacy when you're doing some work. And again, the monitors that give you updates on your flight status. These rooms here are private meeting rooms that you can book. Or prayer rooms, it looks like. Yeah, prayer rooms. Looks like it's got it here on the list.
So there we have it. That is the Turkish Airlines Business Lounge at Istanbul International Airport. We showed you how to get to it when you arrive at the airport, which door to go through and what aisle to go through to get your bags checked in and go through security. So the Turkish Airlines Business Lounge is huge. This whole airport is huge, high ceilings. We've got a lot of food selections. I think I counted 15 different food and drink stations. So you'll have a lot of choices. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you watch our other Istanbul videos, and we'll catch you next time.